Okay, for the manual computation here from part 5, I'll show manual step-by-step computation of drain current versus the drain source voltage for each VGS here, 3, 4, 5, 6 volts, using the same parameters we used before. For example, the VTH here, the threshold voltage is equal to 2 volts. The electromobility is 0.5 milliampere per voltage square. And the linear region formula is, so this is a formula we use in linear region form. Then for the saturation formula, we use this formula. For the is greater than overdrive voltage, and define VOV equal to VGS minus VTH. So I'll compute a few representative VDS points for each VGS. For example, VDS here equal to 0, VDS equal to 0.5, VDS equal to VOV. For example, here our VGS is equal to 3 volts. So our VOV here is 3 minus 2 equal to 1 volt. So using this formula, we have the saturated as 1 half P and V squared. So this is equal to 0.25 here. Okay, so if the VD is equal to 0, the IDS is also equal to 0 here. For example, here, if IDS is equal to 0, the VDS is also equal to 0. Okay, so if VDS is equal to 0.5, so first compute the inner terms here. So the VDS is equal to 1 times the 0.5 here. So V squared of VDS is square of VDS divided by 2 is equal to 0.5 divided by 2 here, equal to 0.0125. So the difference here, using this formula here, using this formula, linear ohmic region. So we have the difference is 0.375 multiplied by Kn, that is 0.1 and 75. So let us see if this is really true. We have the VDS equal to 0.5 here. So VDS equal to 0.5. For example, here, we have the VDS is equal to 0.05, 0.5 here. So approximately the ID here is uh, point, 0.18, 0.18, 0.18 milliampere. So we have here 0.18 milliampere here. Now we have the boundary here is equal to 1 volt. VD is equal to VOV, 1 volt. So we have the boundary here. So this is the boundary, 1.00. So corresponds to 0.0025, which is uh, so we have 0.25 here. This is 0.25 milliampere, or this is equal to 0.0025 ampere. So this is the saturations. So here for the linear region formula, we use this formula. So we just substitute here. Then for this is for the saturations. So the boundary here is equal to 0.25 milliampere. So if the VD is equal to 1 here, the VD is equal to 1. So this is approximately equal to 0.25 ampere, 0.25 milliampere. So using the same procedure, if VGS is equal to 4, so if VG is equal to 4, so we have also these computations. VG is equal to 5. So we use the same procedure in VG is equal to 3 here. Now, if VG is equal to 4 here, so 3, 4. So we have the boundary here. The boundary is around 0.0098 98 ampere or 0.98 milliampere. Let us say for VG is equal to 4 here. So the boundary here is around, let's see the boundary here. So the boundary is around 2 volts here. So we have the 2 volts here. So VDS is equal to 2. So the corresponding current here is 1.0 milliampere. So this is equal to 2. So let us see here. So this is 2. So this is around 1 milliampere. This one. Okay. Uh, for VG is equal to 5 here. Let us say VG is equal to 5. For example, the boundary here is equal to 3. 3 corresponds to 2.25. So 3 here corresponds to 3.25 for the VG is equal to 5. So VG is equal to 5. So 3. So 2.25 milliampere. Let us see. 2.25 milliampere. So this one, 2.25 milliampere. So that's how we plot the uh, we plot the that's how we compute the drain current. No? We compute the voltage between the drain source. So and we compute the voltage between the drain and source and the corresponding drain current here. So we have shown that and VG is equal to 3 volts.